So recently, my girlfriend and I had this amazing opportunity to travel out to Las Vegas with her uncle. With the nature of me being a professional videographer and a hobbyist photographer, I have to make sure we come home with plenty of moments, videos, and photos from our trip. I always look for opportunities to fly my drone, but I knew that looking at Vegas's airspace, there didn't seem to be a whole lot of opportunity to fly my drone. But when we went to Seven Magic Mountains, which is this multicolored rock sculpture in the middle of nowhere, I did see an opportunity to fly my drone. So I actually packed my Mavic Mini, which I don't use often, but it's great for travel and it's very small, so it's easy to manage on vacation. So we went out there and we all got out of the car, and of course Marissa and I walked around and got a few photos together, and when everyone had their photos, we went back to the car. I put my drone up and then I got some photos. Now, I don't know if you noticed this, but you may notice that there's no tourists in this photo. You never really want tourists in your photo, but unless you know the tricks of a photographer, you might not know how to erase them out of the footage. So I actually went through in Photoshop and I went through each person and actually edited them out. And luckily, with the landforms that I was dealing with, this was actually a very easy process. Due to the imperfections of the textures of the dirt and sand and things like that, it made it a breeze to actually edit them out. So that's how I ended up with a clean photo. There's various ways to do this. With the setup I had and the time I had to do all this, that was really my idea to do. And it actually wasn't too bad. So yeah, Vegas trip was super fun. I'm gonna have more content coming out, so I'll kind of piece together the story as I go. But thank you for watching and your support, and we'll see you for the next one.